sir.
Okay.
Yeah, those things I have not done. Like,
No problem. So tell me what are the pending issues from your end. I will
sure, sir.
talk with
I'll do one thing. I'll add in the same. Okay, I'll create some another sheet in this that duplicate pages specifically. Okay,
Okay.
and all the unnecessary pages which I feel I'll add. I'll create a separate sheet and I'll
Okay.
add everything so that you and Manu sir can go through it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Very
yeah.
nice.
So those are the things which I can say, and these are the backlinks which I have created for the okay
Okay. Okay.
last 4 days.
Okay. Very nice.
Okay, this is the
Can
final URL.
Oh, very nice. This is nice. 43 number Quora. Can you show me the link?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Oh, wow. Okay, you can post it on Quora.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Quora also we can post from the same. What is the best place to study abroad?
Oh,
Somebody asked me
wow.
the question.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay.
Where can I see the link in my sheet? It's in the same June activity.
Uh,
CIF. Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
I can. Okay, saw it, saw it.
okay. So similarly, we have we have created some profiles from the document submission sites. Okay, company profile submissions.
Very nice, Vijay.
Okay, yeah, and yeah, the CA form is for the all the information which we need for the doing the backlink activity. Okay,
Okay.
anything newly we need, we will input in this sheet so that it will be easy to
What
do
is
the
CIF form? Client information.
client fund. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay, very nice.
So yeah, that is the activity going on, sir. So for the next month, the task which I want to continue is the backlink activity again,
Okay, okay.
and I'm just planning based on the competitor activity and all. At
Okay,
least weekly 2 blog articles which we need to give.
very nice.
Okay, so the topics and keyword research I'll provide for those
Hmm.
articles, and remaining technical issues which we have seen there are so many meta descriptions and missing and all. So we can actually take this score. Currently it is 73. We can actually take this score to 90 plus if we properly done everything.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that is all about, sir. And I have a few more concerns regarding the website only.
Yes.
Okay, in the website there is no separate blog section. Okay,
Yes.
I don't know like how we will how previously done or how we will input also, because the only place we have seen currently we can see 6 pages are here in the home page. Okay, with these three it is 9, and if we go to the each country page,
Okay.
in, in each country page we have a separate these I think termed
Blogs.
like articles. Yeah,
These are blogs, yeah,
yeah,
posts.
blogs. So but the problem is if you want to measure how much traffic we are gaining through blogs.
Hmm.
Okay, it's easy if we create some category, suppose
Hmm.
slash blog slash this one.
Yeah.
Okay, if we have that if the blog is having a separate category, we can measure how much traffic we are gaining through the blogs only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is the one thing which I feel like we can create a maybe separate section for blog articles.
Okay. I agree with you. I agree. So I will note this in my to-do item.
Yes, sir.
You can maybe in the sheet only just make one to do for defocus or to do
Okay,
for Robbie, and
okay,
here you can just write blog number 1 point to create separate blog,
okay.
to fix unnecessary to delete to fix duplicate pages.
Yeah,
So there are two kinds of issues with the pages. One is pages which are required because they are internally linked, but they
yeah,
are duplicate content. So that is a problem of editing the pages.
yeah,
And then the other will be pages which are not required because they are orphaned pages.
yeah. Right.
So the orphaned pages, you give me a list. I will review with Manuji today or tomorrow and delete them. And the duplicate content pages, I will discuss with Manuji and get them edited. Not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Some minor editing, if you can do, you can let me know if it is possible at your end. You can
Yes,
balance
whatever. Yeah, whatever I can do from my side. Suppose orphan pages, I need to do the internal links. So I have
Okay.
done most of the orphan pages. I have done with that. Okay,
Okay.
I have provided the internal links for the orphan pages. Now
Okay.
the problem is the unnecessary pages and duplicate pages.
Hmm.
So the pages which I feel unnecessary, those I have de-indexed. Means those are I have removed from the sitemap.
Okay.
Those pages I have not deleted. Those pages are existed, but
Okay.
removed from the sitemap so that we can have that clarity. And
Okay.
the pages which I feel okay, maybe this thing is
Hmm.
important, something like that. Those I
Okay.
have leave like that. So now what I will do is whatever I think orphan pages or duplicate pages which I think important or I
Okay.
need some clarity from you,
Hmm.
I'll mention that in the sheet.
No
Okay.
problem, Vijay. And I think just focus on the first, I think just go on like the home page and the study abroad landing page. If we can just make sure that we have the on page, you have not started the on page activity
Yeah,
right now.
on page I have not started. So first of all, I just want to complete these
Oh,
technical issues all.
okay. Okay.
Okay, so and off page is going on parallelly.
Okay.
So once the technical thing comes completed, then we'll completely focus on the on page,
Okay.
wherever we can improve the content and all.
Okay. Okay. No
Yeah.
problem. Perfect. So I
So yeah.
think that's it. I think we can let me just review, just add in the links, and meantime I will create a blog also. So you can
Okay.
just create a sheet to do Robbie, and I those are my action items.
Yeah, yeah.
Anytime you feel that there is any action item from addition of any page or changes in the website, you can
Yeah.
add it in my action item.
Okay, sir. Sure, definitely. I'll do that.
I think regarding the backlinks, it's very satisfactory. You are not having any problem with profile creation. Now you are able to access the emails, or still there is a problem?
Yeah, I have created a separate email, sir. Like actually, if you see in this,
Okay.
so yesterday first we have done with the digital@globaledge.net, the given email ID. But
Okay.
we are not getting any email. See, I have logged in. So
Okay.
this is like it is appearing. I am not getting not even a single mail from those profiles. So
Okay.
what I've done is I have created a separate email with the name of digital.globaledge@gmail.
Okay.
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 Now
So the
all the profile all the links verification are going to this mail ID.
okay. So you can note the login username and password in the login sheets.
Yes, like I have done this here in the CA form. I have given this email ID
Okay.
and password.
Okay.
Okay,
In
so that
the logins also, the first sheet, if you
okay,
see.
okay. In the logins, I will add it. Yeah.
Whatever, like you create any dependency, or then just share the login, so that see, end of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
day these are all intellectual property of the client.
Yes, yes,
So
exactly.
whatever is the logins that you create, just you can put it here,
Sure. Yeah.
and I think it looks good. So this is a Gmail account, right?
Yes, sir. This is a Gmail account, right?
Okay, okay. So the password recovery will be your phone or your email.
Currently, no, I have not given any recovery. Okay,
Okay.
currently it is like just created. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
For
Yeah.
recovery, you can always use the client's official email.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sir. Okay. I'll
Well,
do that.
otherwise, it's a very big problem. Sometimes, let's say you are not available and so some other SEO guy comes,
Huh.
then it becomes a very big challenge working with many teams.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly. I can understand that. Yeah.
And apart from this, anything you need from me right now?
Right now, I don't need anything, sir. Currently, these are the like this is the activity which I want to continue. But I have the like is it okay? Like, is it okay, sir? Like every time, maybe means I'm contacting you. Is
Hmm.
it okay with you? Like, or else, client should I take the client
Yeah,
ID?
yeah, yeah, yeah. You can take directly call Manuji. Let me email Mr. Manu, and I will put you in CC.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
sure. Because that will be if there is anything something directly I can discuss with her.
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
do that. Yeah.
I am just sharing in the chat. Just check if you are able to log in. I just create your official email.
Okay.
So I'm putting it in the chat. Just give me a second.
Sure.
So try to keep me and my team in the loop so that if there is
Yeah.
any technical issue, at least I am aware of it.
Sure, sir. I'll always mention you in the CCs, whatever the requirement is. Okay.
Although you will have this, let me just give you quickly. Uh, Vijay Krishnamurthy, right?
No, Vijay Mathurthi.
Vijay Mathur.
Yeah.
You are based in Hyderabad.
No, I'm from Vizag, sir, Visakhapatnam, Andhra
Vishal.
Pradesh.
Okay. It's a beautiful place, huh?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Wow. So have you visited Delhi?
I have not visited Delhi, sir, but yeah, Mumbai on south side and yeah, mostly.
So just log in on Gmail and check if you are able to log in. I have put it in the chat.
Okay.
It's vijay@defocus.in. This
Okay.
is the
Yeah.
password. You have Mr. Manu's email. I will send you that also if you don't have.
Yes, sir. Please send it. Yeah.
I'm just putting it in the chat. You can save his email. So anytime there is an issue, just email him or you can even call him. But if you email him, then at least I will be in the loop. After that,
Yeah.
you can just for any quick issues, you can feel free to contact the client anytime
Okay.
because the work should not get stopped eventually.
Exactly. That is the problem, sir. If there is any delay, that will be the. Again, because he also told last week when we had a discussion, if you have
Okay.
any, just we need to
Okay.
sort it quickly without
Okay.
waiting for a weekly meeting like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have put his email. I'm putting two. His one is his official. He
Okay.
checks it very regularly, but I'm also giving you his personal email just in case. You can keep both of them. Sometimes he might reply from his personal, so keep both
Okay.
of them.
Yeah.
You are, were you able to log in?
Just a second, sir. I'm just.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Done. I'm able to log in now. It is clear.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Vivek. Vijay, anything else?
No, sir. Nothing
All
from
right.
my side. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Tha-
This Quora is very good, I think, for the backlink. I think that's a great job. I think if you can have more quality backlinks,
Sure,
that
sir.
will
Like
be, I think,
because other backlinks maybe that will help to increase the DA, but
yeah, yeah.
this is where we can gain some traffic from Quora, Medium.
Very nice, very
Yeah, I'll
nice.
do that. Yeah.
All right, take care.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.